Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And if you are already one of my subscribers, thank you for coming back again. I'm going to be unboxing this thing that was so hard to get, which is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So we're going to unbox this together. I haven't opened it up at all, so we are going to take a look at this bag and see if it was worth it. So it did come through UPS very late at night. Let me tell you guys something. UPS is ghetto. UPS came to my doorstep at 9:30 at night. My lights were off and my alarm was set. That's how late it was. But nevertheless, it's here. So let's go on and open it. So it comes in the standard little box that all of their stuff comes in. I'm just hiding my address. Inside of the box, I have the box. Of course, it's the standard box. So it comes in the standard box like this. It says Louis Vuitton, of course. The box obviously didn't come with a ribbon, which sucks, but that's okay. It's not that serious for me to have a ribbon. So opening up the box, we have the little bag. Okay, so here we have the bag. It came in the standard dust bag. So let's open it up and take a look. Oh, look at this. This is adorable. How adorable is this? That is just too stinking cute. I didn't know how I would feel about this bag because it's just like, this is just like another one of those things. I feel like I'm not even going to compare the size to the Jacquemus Le Chiquito bag because this does have a little more room in it, and I'm going to be using this as just like a little cute little bag I can just carry like this with, you know, you just need some cash, a card, car keys, a lip gloss, something simple like that. And I'm also going to be using it to put inside of my other purses as like an organizer or a separator to keep things organized in my bags. So yes, here we have it. It is the Louis Vuitton monogram print of the mini pochette. It does have, let's see, can you focus, camera? Okay, well anyways, here's the bag. Like I said, it's the monogram print. It comes with the gold chain, the cowhide leather, and this bag here says that it was made in France. Let me see. Yeah, so it's not gonna focus. This bag was made in France. And it has the LV obviously on the hardware. Gonna open it up so we can see what it looks like. It just has this brown lining in the inside, nothing too special. It's pretty basic. I don't know what this is. It's a QR code, and it comes with this thing. It just lets you know that it has the cowhide leather. So that is it. Here is the mini pochette. then for this bag, what I'm going to do is put the specifications up on the screen so that you guys can see the size and how to care for the bag, the price. Right now, I will let you guys know the website is showing that the bag is out of stock. So what I did was, for probably like the last 2 months, I stalked the website just to see if the availability had changed, which it hadn't. And I seen a few other YouTubers pretty much said that they just ended up calling the Louis Vuitton phone number and they were able to speak with a rep that was able to get the bag for them. So I was able to get this little mini pochette, which is so hard to get right now. But if you give them a call, they may be able to get the bag for you. I also tried to snag the other pochette, the larger one, but right now it's just like, no, we're out of stock. I've called every day and it's just like, you know what, sorry, we're out of stock. This bag is out of stock. And I'm close to the Dallas area, so I went to North Park Mall and they actually did have the larger pochette, but it was only in the Damier Ebene. No, sorry. Not Damier Ebene, Damier Azur. And I wasn't sure if I wanted that one just because. Anyways, I'm rambling. That has nothing to do with this video. So yes, back to this cute little bag. I think it's so adorable. I just love it. This bag, I paid $395 for this bag. That included the tax. I want to say it's like maybe $365 on the website. Don't quote me on that. I will put the correct price somewhere on the screen for you guys so that you'll know the exact number. But with the tax, excuse me, it was $395. So this is super cute. Let me show you guys a little comparison in the size from this bag. Okay, so can you guys see this? The difference in the size? It's just like this has more usability than this one because this is a very structured bag, so it's not easy to maneuver things around in here. But this one has a little give, so let's try to put some things in. Alright, so I have some things that I'm going to put in this bag just to see how well, you know, things can fit. Like I said, this is not something obviously you're going to carry everything in. It's just going to fit a few little knickknacks, and I am absolutely okay with that. So here I have a little blush. This is my MAC Peach Twist blush, which I'm actually wearing today. So I'll stick that in here. Oops. And as you can see, that fits pretty comfortably. And I'm going to also add in my lips, my lippy that I'm wearing today, which I'll just put the color out there for you guys in case you want to know. It is NARS, and this is in the color Stripped, and this is a Velvet Lip Glide. So that's what I'm wearing today. And we'll put that in here. I have some deodorant. I like to keep like a little personal hygiene bag, you know, when I'm going out. So we'll put this deodorant in here. The blotting pad so that you can touch your makeup up when you're out. Alright, so that's 4 things. I have 4 things in here. Honestly, I probably wouldn't put more than that in here. I might do like a little compact mirror and hand sanitizer and then call it a day. I wouldn't try to carry a lot in here because the bag is just obviously not that big. So all of that zipping up in here. You can kind of see like a print from the things on the inside, and there's a little bit of bulging in here, but that is because that deodorant is pretty round. So yes, that's what I could fit in my mini pochette. This is just like a cute little bag. It really is. Cute micro bag if you're into this trend. Now I did notice the stitching on here isn't the greatest. It looks pretty bad, to be honest. It looks cheap, you know, but it's almost $400 for something this small. You would think the stitching could be a little better, but it's pretty. Doesn't want to focus. So one last thing before I wrap this video up, I'm going to show you what else came inside of the box. It's just your card, and it should come with like your receipt and a return label and all of that other good stuff. But I'm going to check it out and see if they sent anything different from my last order. So it just has like a thank you card here. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. You have your returns and exchanges. It gives you pretty much all of the instructions and how you can get that done. And this paper pretty much says that this bag is exclusively sold at Louis Vuitton. It shows you the type of bag that I got on the receipt, which is the mini pochette accessories. That's what it's listed as on the website. And then just a return label. So that's everything that came inside of the envelope. And you got your purse in the box. Alright guys, so that is it for my unboxing of my mini pochette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm not going to say a new YouTuber because I've been on YouTube for a few years, but I'm trying to do better at being consistent, and I'm trying to build up my YouTube community. So if you guys could subscribe to my channel, I would super duper appreciate that. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I shared some helpful information to help you try to snag this mini pochette bag. And that's it. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.